Out to Lee today. Here he is, the champ. Yes, we're off out on Sunday, the weather's but getting it done. So the rain has stopped finally. Thank God. Moo. Oh yeah everyone, so just finished the Sunday run with Lee today. Lee's been away this week, so we haven't been able to get out. So it was nice to get out with Lee and see Lee again this week. The run we done today wasn't as long as it usually is. It was only about 8 miles today, but I'm not bothered about time or distance or anything really. Yeah, it is nice to do some long ones, but I done a longish one on Friday, so it's nice to mix it up. We've done a different route again. We started in Maesteg by the golf club, done a big loop on top of Arvenargoy, down to Carmarthen, on top of Carmarthen, and then back around to the golf club. So it was a good route, to be fair, and yeah, I'll definitely do it again. I know this week we were umming and ahhing about running from Maesteg to Porthcawl, but we've decided now we're going to do that next Sunday. We're going to drop my car off either the night before or the morning of, and start from Leeds. I think it's about 15 miles out from Lee's house to Porthcawl, so that's going to be a nice long route, only 5 miles short of my first events run, which is 20 miles. Obviously this route that we're going to do next Sunday is a lot flatter than my event route, but it's still going to be a good challenge in itself. So just finished off now in the coffee shop, Greg's, and having a flat white. So what else was I going to say? Thank you to everyone for entering my competition. I think it was about 39-40 people who entered all together. So I really appreciate your support in everything I'm doing. Also, thank you to people messaging me, asking me to come on runs. Can they come on runs with me? That's amazing. I know it's hard to reach out and ask people, can you come on a run? So yeah, anyone can come with me. Just message me. It don't matter if you can only do a K. Just say you can do a K. We'll do a K, get it done. We'll build up like that. So yeah, really appreciate it. I think I got 1 or 2 people coming with me this week, and it all helps mentally and physically and get you back to where you want to be. You've got to ask the question: are you the best version of yourself? And only you can make that judgment. So yeah, the plan for today, so it's only 9:15 now. I'm hoping to get out for some food with Jess later on. I might add where we go to this video. There was talks of the Grazing Shed. I know they got about 7 or 8 different vegan burgers, so that would be nice. And yeah, so hopefully we'll get out for some food. The weather ain't the best, so yeah, a bit crappy that side of it, but nonetheless it's still the weekend. So thank you everyone for the continued support. I really appreciate it. And if anyone got any runs, any challenges you'd like me to do, I know I done a quick questionnaire the other day. I think that went down pretty well, where I had you to choose my route, or the one that got chose was burn 1500 calories on the run, which I did, which I done that Friday. Was 20k. So I've got a couple of other ones planned for this week. I'll put the questionnaire up on Wednesday, ready for my Friday run again. So yeah, thank you everyone, and hope you all keeping safe and well, and stay safe, be kind. Peace. So just finishing off now in the Grazing Shed in Cardiff. Me and Jess both had vegan burgers. Jess had the vegan hula hula. I'm not sure what was in it, but I know there was a pineapple in there, and that was really nice. I had the vegan smokestack, which was like patty, hash brown, barbecue sauce, and it was lovely. So really enjoyed it. I'll definitely be coming back down for some more. So hope you like the post, the video, and please subscribe, like and comment and share.